Babe, how do I feel about sweet potatoes?
You hate them.
Yeah, this is delicious. I'll call you right back. I love you.
Tonight we're throwing down a one-pan infused classic. Sweet Potato Checkin Dinner done chronic style, packed with protein, flavor, and that perfect elevated touch. First, prep your veggies. Peel and dice 2 large sweet potatoes into small cubes so they cook evenly. Dice 1 yellow onion and chop about 2 cups of fresh spinach. Then, grab your chicken, about 1 to 2 breasts, and dice them into small bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook quickly and stay juicy. Now, heat up a large skillet with a tablespoon of regular olive oil. Once hot, toss in your diced chicken. Season lightly with salt and pepper and saute for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pieces are golden brown and cooked through. Set it aside in a bowl. We'll come back to it later. Lower the heat and add 2 tablespoons of infused olive oil to the same pan. Once warm, add in your diced sweet potatoes and onions. Stir them well to coat in the infused oil and let them saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll start to see the onions soften and the edges of the potatoes turn slightly golden, exactly what we want. Now, return the chicken to the pan. Stir everything together, then pour in half a cup of chicken broth. Cover with a lid and let it steam together for about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. The steam will help the potatoes cook through while letting the flavors really come together. Once the potatoes are fork tender, uncover the pan and stir in a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let it bloom in the heat for about a minute. It'll make the whole kitchen smell absolutely incredible. Now we layer in the flavor. Add 1 can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes and all your seasonings: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, and the remaining chicken broth and your chopped spinach. Stir it well and let it simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes, letting the spinach wilt and flavors deepen. Finally, sprinkle in a half a cup of grated Parmesan. Let it melt down into the dish, creating a creamy, savory finish that ties it all together. And that's it. An infused, hearty one-pan dinner that's satisfying, simple, and perfect for chill nights at home. Enjoy responsibly.
Sweet potato?
Sweet potato chicken dinner.
Fun fact, I hate sweet potatoes. Let's do this. I'm sure this is gonna taste amazing. I'm 1 bite, make sure I get it all so I don't fuck up everybody else's bite. Dude, that is delicious. Every bit of that. I'm in a video, hold on, this is actually my wife. Babe, how do I feel about sweet potatoes?
You hate them.
Yeah, this is fucking delicious. I'll call you right back, I love you. This is fucking good. Yeah, that's a 9 out of 10. Fucking spitting all over, dude. Enjoy, guys, approved.